Okay, guys, welcome. This is Fetuga Mojeed, and you are welcome to this blog guide. Okay, in the previous video, I explained to you the tools that are very, very important and needed for you to work on your blog if you really want to start blogging. The first thing is that it is not a get rich quick, okay, but if you maximize and optimize your website, you put in your Google AdSense and any other pay-per-click package that you really want to use, and you put in your affiliate link. That will be another tutorial where I will be able to show you some of the tips for affiliate marketing. And if you have products, you yourself have products that you are selling or you are willing to sell, so if you need to first of all do the SEO, I've done a video on that in order for you to set up your blog. Now, probably you've gotten your blog ready and you've gotten some content, you've done your keyword research, and you've gotten some content. So, I want to work on this content. I've just been able to generate some content on the internet based on this keyword: internet marketing with email, more or less email marketing. The keyword is email marketing. So, I've gotten my content. The first thing I'm going to do is to come to the dashboard of this WordPress. And if you come to the dashboard, you go to blog post, and you click or add new. You want to add new post. Now, there are different page post editor that we have. By default, WordPress is using Gutenberg, which is also good and it is easy to use, and that is the essence of this tutorial. So that if you are to use Gutenberg, you can actually use that. And you can also use Elementor, you can use Divi, you can use any other page builder, depend on how skillful you are. But for this tutorial, I'm going to just make use of Gutenberg in order for a lay person to really use the customized uh, page builder. So the first thing is to put in the title, and I'm going to put my title. My title may be internet marketing with email. Probably you have to do your keyword research. That title may not be, let me just say, internet marketing. Let me reframe this: email marketing guide in 2020. Okay, good. This is a good one. The keyword email marketing. And now Gutenberg is very, very straightforward. Okay, the whole page is just within this short view. That's the whole page. So you will start building your content, and it's going to really go down, 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 down. Now, the information you have here, like focus, that this key phrase is for SEO. So that is email marketing guide in 2020. That is the keyword. So it's going to tell you if it's okay. If it's not okay, it's going to tell you what is the problem and what have you. But is the most important thing is you now want to start your content. So once you click, Gutenberg comes in block. Everything is in block. So you select a block, and for a block you can add these features. You can add common blocks, formatting, page element layout, widgets, embed, other tools that you really want to use. So you can just pick. For instance, if you really want to work on common block, you can see all the blocks available. These are blocks, you just need to pick them. So perchance I want to start, definitely I want to start with H1, an header tag. Of course, this is a title and I want to have an header tag. So my header can now be email marketing. Okay, let me say what is email marketing. Okay, this good. I have put this there. What is email marketing? I can say this H1 already, so I can say this should be H2. Okay, so now I'm setting it up. Now that's the first thing. The next one, I pick a blog. You see, I just pick a blog and I say paragraph. Okay, and what I just need to get my content paragraph. Okay, I can just get this first paragraph, copy, and of course paste. And this is how simple it is. There is this Grammarly application that I'm also using, which is helping me with regards to grammar usage and what have you. So I can just pick on that, and this is how you set it up. For instance, if I want to put an image here to talk about uh, email marketing, I want to add an image. I'll click on this. I will just add, let me see, I want to add a column, I want to add two columns. So beneath this, I've added two columns. Then I can actually pick in between the two columns and I edit what I really want to add. What do I want to add there? What do I want to add here? Probably I want to add an image here. So I click on this and I pick image, and I go to the library, or if the image I just want to upload it, or the image is in another link, I want to bring it up, I'll just insert the URL here. So let me say I want to search from my library to see what I have on my library, whether the image, of course you must have put in the content you really want to work with. You put them online. Let me pick up. Okay, it's like I have to just upload. So I will click on upload here, and there are two ways to it. I can drag and drop the image, and I can also just select the files and look for where the image is. But for this tutorial, I will just pick an image, anything. Okay, let me just pick this. I can of course delete that and get something else. I just want us to see the results. So that is how you upload your image. And once you upload your image, you can also upload your videos. But if your server is little, okay, if your server is little, you can just make do with importing the through the URL. So you can increase the size of your content, and here you can also add uh, you can add text. Let me just add paragraph, copy the contents, and just have it here. Okay, let me remove this. I want another paragraph. Good. So if you look at it, let me preview for you to see how the page, the blog post will be. Likewise, if you have your AdSense, your codes, or your ad codes, you can actually bring it up. So it's just going to be like this. In the finished product will be like this, where you have your image will be here. There will be an image here. Why is it not loading? Should load an image. So there will be an image here, and the content is just straightforward. This is a title, and this the H1, the header tag. This is the content, and that is how you just get your blog content. Okay, and once you are done, you need to check your results before you then publish. So as soon as you are done, you just click publish. Let me save this as a draft. You click publish, and it's going to go viral. It's going to go online. So thank you. If you have found any guide, thank you.